We got the freight elevator now. Armor call button. Oh yeah. Check this out. Oh my God, this is so cool. Let's go to 6, or actually sub basement. Six. Oh, look at this panel. That's locked. That's probably like the service cabinet. Harsh stop. That side opens. All right, back to ground. Oh, these are sick buttons. I wonder if you can see through there. Not really. Oh, both doors open here. This looks like a loading dock of sorts. Hold call button there. Nice. Anyway. That is all. Anyway, we'll send it up and watch it go. Watch it go down. There it goes. Watch it go.